Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Land Rover Discovery. First of all, we have to make sure Bluetooth is on like so. Over to the system, we'll click telephone. There's nothing connected, no phones connected at the moment. No phone connected, connect to device now, yes. So we're watching out at the bottom. Search for Bluetooth devices. Discovery Sport is searching. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, click on that. Pairing Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. Does the passkey match? Yes, it does. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Barry's iPhone 12 has been paired successfully. That's it. If I can just find it. Discovery Sport connected. I'm using that one at the moment, so that's the other one. That's it done.